Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to everyone in Ita in my pocket, especially my friends and fans and my students. आज मैं अनबॉक्स करूँगा। मुझे एक गिफ्ट मिला है और इस गिफ्ट पे सिर्फ लिखा है हश्त नगरी और कोई नाम नहीं लिखा। This is not the first time that I received the gifts without names. बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स हैं, but I was thinking to unbox in front of the camera because I don't know what is inside. I'm very thankful to all of you for your love, support, and for your nice comments on my videos and for this love. Okay, so let me just open it. What is inside? Okay, so let me open from here. Oh, okay. Oh, this is a suit. I don't know what is the name. I don't know most of the brands. Its name is Paragon. Yeah, Paragon. Quality fabric empowers you. This is the gift I received, and oh, the color this is the same color I wore. And very thankful. I'm very thankful to you. Thank you very much for this gift. I don't know that how you are, but whoever you are, thank you very much for this. Okay, why I did unbox this in front of the camera? I did because if I knew you, I would have said thanks to you via message or oh, there's something else too. Oh, there is a perfume. Silver shade, and okay, it's quite nice, by the way. I like it. Thank you very much for this silver shade. By the way, before this I received from the same address almost, and that is Black Prince. Yeah, this one, which is my favorite. And thank you very much for this as well. Okay, इसके अलावा I received on my birthday I received this watch, and I was thinking to just show it to you and say thanks to you. And this is a lovely watch, by the way. How people do open this? Oh, okay, this is the watch, and this is a very nice watch, by the way. And I've received this purse long ago, but I use this purse, by the way. I can use this purse, and I received this gift as well. And there are some studs and the pens. It shows like this is a student who sent it to me. This one, and there were some other gifts too. Yeah, you can see maybe in the inset in here or here one of my black dresses I used in the videos. So that black dress is also a gift. And there are also some other gifts as well, and I'm very thankful to you because you are my unseen fan or unseen student or unseen friend, whoever you are. But I'm saying thanks to you in front of this camera and in front of everyone. There are some other gifts as well, but I'm using, I got to know, the gift, this one. Yeah, this keychain with the name of Ali. Someone sent me this. And there was another keychain as well. There is another keychain, I don't know. And this keychain. Yeah, this is my favorite. And this one. Yeah, I have another perfumes, and I don't have those perfumes now, but I'm very thankful to all of you. Your test is coming, and I am wishing a very best luck for you. Like a very best luck, okay? Not a very good luck, but the best luck for you people. The gifts you have sent me, I'm using these gifts, okay? Like these gifts, and I will use this perfume. I'm already using, you see, I have my key in here, in this keychain, and I'll use this keychain as well somewhere, maybe, I don't know. And I'll wear this watch always with me. And This gift, sorry, I had forgotten this gift, and this is the gift with my name, Dr. Ali. Dr. Ali Sudais. You can see this pen, maybe. Okay, I think you can see it now. And there is a name of me as well, and the card. And there is another gift I had received long ago, and these are quite interesting. I have kept this in front of me on my table. These are the test tubes, actually, and nice test tubes, you see. I'll put some of the colors in there, and then I'll use it in front of me and my table in here. Is always here. So I'm using all the gifts you have sent to me. Must use all the gifts you have sent to me, always and always. Thank you very much. See you soon with a new video. Tab tak ke liye, Allah Hafiz.